this page. From here you have to go to sign up. So here is two options, that sign up with Facebook and sign up with Twitter. If you go with anyone, then they will ask you to access your Facebook or Twitter account. Okay, I mean they will gather some information from your account. So I think you should skip these two options. You should create a new account by a new email address. So from here in right, you can see that I don't have a Facebook or a Twitter account. Okay, just click on it. Wait a moment. Okay, now here is the form that you have to fill up. Now I'm going to fill up. That is my full name. Okay, here right, your profile URL will be, look at here, scoop.it Emran. So I'm going to change it. It will be sorry, yeah, look at here, EMRAN yeah, IN 315. Okay, now I have to put in here my email address. Okay, now password. As you see, here is my password, and upload a profile picture. From here I'm going to upload my picture. Yeah, okay. I will use scoop.it for choose an option. From here, and as I am using this as a personal brand blog, that's why I'm using this. If you want to for your company, then you can select this or this one. Okay, or you are a student, you can use this. So I'm going to use my personal brand or blog. Okay, now just click on I'm not a robot, then click sign up. Wait a moment, let's start it. I'm going to set my password. An email has been sent to you to confirm your address. Okay, now I have to go to my email address. Now I'm opening my email. Sorry. From here I'm going to my email address. Wait a moment. Okay, look at here. Now here is the link that I have to click. It can't reach. The hell. Okay, now redirecting to the scoop.it. So here is some options that you have to fill up as a free user. As I want to is free, the continue with free. There is some option that you will get some unlimited access. Look, analytic and support, create newsletter with your content, WordPress integration, distribution topic pages, create topic pages. Okay, as I am going to fill that, I will just I will access these three options, that is scope topic, topic pages, number of user 1, browser extension to scope any link, rescope from other curators. Okay, now I'm going to as free. Welcome to scoop.it. Thank you for taking the time to register for scoop.it. As a thank you, we would like to give you a complimentary 7-day trial. After 7 days, your account will simply revert back to the free plan. Okay, let's start it. create a topic, name a topic, that I have to write a topic. Okay, so that means I'm going to discover great content. I am just going to this name, Backlight Live, as I have an account on YouTube. That's why I'm going to keywords related to Backlight Live. Chickens, 6 rising foods. Wait a moment. Six rising foods. How to feed chickens, organic chicken feed. Okay, language English, just next. Almost ready. Where will you share your content accurate? No, I don't want to contact. Just next. Okay, now it's ready. Look at here, lots of content are showing here. Just I'm gonna to cut it. Okay, here is your page ready. Now I may post, share, link, anything here. Okay, so viewers, talk to you later with new topic. Till then, bye bye.